This tutorial review will show you how to transfer files from iPhone to Windows PC. The best way to transfer files from your iPhone to Windows PC is using the shareit. So download and install the shareit app on your Windows PC, and the same way install the shareit app from App Store on your iPhone. Then launch shareit on both Windows and iPhone device. Now on your computer shareit, click on show QR code, and on your iPhone shareit, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner and tap on connect PC Mac. Tap on connect PC and scan the QR code. Then your iPhone and your Windows PC will connect. Now tap on send. Now you can send files, photos, videos, music from your iPhone. So I'm going to selecting some videos here. Tapping on send. And as you can see, I've successfully started to transfer some files from my iPhone to Windows PC. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.